Hello there, I am Classified. I will be teaching you on how to recreate this part of Toadette's head. First, we will scale the texture size. I normally multiply the size by 8, but you can multiply your texture by any size as long as the numbers 4 through 16. Change the interpolation to none, so the image will remain pixelated when resized. Select the Paths tool. Select the Paths tool. To start off, we will be creating the outline. Make sure your curves are accurate. While pressing the Control key, click the first point to merge the selection. Create a new layer. Go to the tool options and click Selection from Path. Now your path has been turned into a selection. Use the color picker tool to copy the color of the outline. Use the bucket tool to fill in the selection. We're going to do the same thing with the interior. But instead of making another path from scratch, we're going to duplicate the existing one and modify it. Right click and select Path tool. Now we're going to modify the shape so it can fit with the pink color. After that, I'm pretty sure you know what to do next. We finished the pink shape. But now we need to create a path for the shading. We want to create a circular shape that surrounds the shading accurately. Copy the color of the shading. Create a new layer. Go to the gradient tool. Make sure it's on FG to transparent. Begin creating the shading. Make sure you constantly compare it with the original image to make sure the shading's accurate. After that, we now want to create the white spots that appear on the head. First, we are going to use the Path tool to create the interior shape of it. For whatever reason, I right click my curve and then selected Path to selection. I don't even know why, lol. It doesn't really make a difference. Select the main pink shape, go to layer and then transparency. Now select intersect with selection. Color pick the spot. Create a new layer. Use the bucket tool to fill in the selection. Notice that there are some pink lines around the spot. To fix this, you need to go to the layer that contains the pink shape and start erasing the edges. Looking pretty good so far. Let's finish up the right spot. Now we need to create some shading for the white spot. To do this, I'm going to lazily copy some of the pink shading and turn it grey. Finally, we need to finish the top spot. Now that we have the top spot finished, we need to create the shading for it. Create a selection out of the path we used to create the shading. Then select the spot. Go to layer and then transparency. Now select intersect with selection. Change your color to black. Go to the gradient tool. Begin creating the shading. Congratulations, you are finished. Now you can end the day knowing that this would have been a lot easier if you recolored one of the existing toad textures.